Okay, welcome to the App Management tab for the Aero app. You should have already gone through the general overview or know how to use it, and so you've jumped over to this, and we're going to cover everything that's in the App Management tab. So here we are inside the Aero app, and you're always going to open onto this page, which is going to give you the most current information for your application. So you can see that we're in App Management and under the Help menu tab. And inside of each of these tabs, you're going to get a different piece of information. So you see here that we're in the What's New area. It's going to tell you everything that's new within the current versions of the application, but not necessarily what's on your version. It's going to show you the newest application version and what's in that. And I'll show you how to check the current version that you have in just a second. If you click here on web links, you see that this is going to have links to useful information such as the Defense NOTAM service, FAA, things like that. The ReadMe section is going to give you a release highlights for the current version that you are using on your iPad. User manual is just what it says. It's a PDF version of the user manual. If you don't like watching videos, you can go through here and do it the old-fashioned way, which is totally fine. It will give you a breakdown of each of the things that we're going to show you as well. And then when you go to the About page, here's where you're going to find out what app version you have installed. As you see, in our case, we have 1.17 installed. And that's going to give us all of our information for the current application inside of our own iPad. Next, we have the host nation data. And host nation data is going to do that. It's going to give you any host nation data that you might have, a Jepson chart or any type of local mapping programs, or not programs, sorry, products that you might have from a current European theater or South American theater, things like that. In your preferences page, we're going to skip data for a second. In your preferences page, you can see this is just the generic overall preferences for the application. If you look here, let's take main menu at the top for just a second. You can click it off, and now it brings that main menu to the bottom. So you can go through here, play with what you'd like to, see what works for you. If you want to go to the big buttons, there's some big buttons that might help you with gloves. And you can adjust those however you want. I assume most of these will be dictated by your SOP. All right, well, that wraps it up for the App Management tab. And there's a separate video for the data portion in here that will get you all the information to upload data into your Aero app.